Hello everyone and welcome back to Shobinverse. Today we have a major geopolitical update that could impact not only global politics but also the financial markets, oil prices, and cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. According to Reuters, international mediators have proposed a 10-day ceasefire between Iran and the United States in an effort to revive the interim agreement that was reached last month. Now, it's important to understand one key point. This is only a proposal. It has not yet been officially accepted by either side. But if this proposal turns into a real ceasefire, the impact could be enormous. Let's break down everything you need to know. International mediators are trying to reduce tensions between Iran and the United States after weeks of uncertainty. The proposed plan includes a 10-day ceasefire, giving both countries enough time to restart diplomatic negotiations and revive last month's temporary agreement. The goal is simple: stop military escalation, reduce regional tensions, create space for diplomacy instead of conflict. At the moment, there has been no official confirmation that both governments have agreed. So investors are watching every headline very carefully. Whenever there is conflict involving the Middle East, the entire world pays attention. That's because the region plays a major role in global energy production. If tensions rise, oil prices usually increase. Stock markets become nervous. Investors move money into safe assets. But if tensions begin to calm, markets usually become more optimistic. Risk assets often recover, and cryptocurrencies can benefit from improving investor confidence. Bitcoin has increasingly become a global macro asset. It reacts not only to crypto news but also to economic and geopolitical events. If a ceasefire becomes official, investors may feel more comfortable investing in higher-risk assets. That could increase buying pressure in Bitcoin. Many traders believe reduced geopolitical uncertainty creates a healthier environment for crypto markets. However, if negotiations fail and tensions rise again, Bitcoin could experience higher volatility as investors react to uncertainty. Historically, when Bitcoin gains confidence, many altcoins follow. Projects in AI, Layer 2, DeFi, and infrastructure sectors often perform well during periods of improving market sentiment. But remember, nothing is guaranteed. Crypto remains highly volatile. Always manage your risk carefully. Oil prices are one of the biggest indicators investors are watching. A successful ceasefire could reduce fears of supply disruptions. Lower oil prices can ease inflation pressure. If inflation expectations fall, central banks may face less pressure to keep interest rates high. That would generally be positive for risk assets, including cryptocurrencies. There are several important developments to monitor over the coming days. First, watch for official statements from Iran. Second, watch for confirmation from the United States. Third, follow updates from international mediators. Finally, keep an eye on Bitcoin's price reaction. Sometimes markets move before official announcements are even made. One important reminder: this report is based on a proposed ceasefire, not a finalized agreement. Negotiations can succeed. They can also fail. Markets may react quickly to any new headline. Never make investment decisions based on one piece of news alone. Always do your own research. The proposed 10-day ceasefire between Iran and the United States could become one of the most important geopolitical developments of the month. If diplomacy succeeds, it may improve market confidence, stabilize oil prices, and create a more positive environment for Bitcoin and the broader crypto market. But until both sides officially approve the proposal, uncertainty remains. We'll continue following every update here on Shobinverse. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss the latest crypto and global market updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.